I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at structures. Alright, so structures are used to represent a record in C#, and let's want to keep track of some record of employees, data in the office, on your company. You can be able to do that using structures. Let's say you want to keep track of the employee's name, the age, the salary, the bio, everything that concerns the employee. Let's go ahead and check how this can be done. So first of all, we're going to create a structure and go outside the class. So go outside the class and let's go ahead and call struct. Okay, so let's call that to be struct company. Alright, now we go ahead and start by creating, let's say, public string name, then public string position, then public string which other thing do we need to put in place? We have gotten the name, we have gotten the position, we have gotten the car he or she uses, alright, and let's say public int salary and public int age. Alright, so getting the position of the employee, the name of the employee, the position, the car he or she uses, and the salary and age. Alright, so these are the things that we need, the data we need. Now we go ahead and move into the main method. Let's go into the main method and call in the structure, and let's say we're going to say industry, let's say industry, and we go ahead, let's call company, please, company, and name that employee. Alright, press semicolon. So we've declared a employee of the type company. Now we need to give her the the employee specifications. So I'll go ahead and say employee. So that is employee data name is equal to Vita Paul, comma, then employee dot position equal to developer C# developer. Alright, so go ahead and play comma, then employee dot car Honda, then employee dot salary is equal to $10,000, comma, and employee dot age is equal to 24 plus semicolon. So at 24 you earn $10,000 per month. Alright, so let's go ahead and print out the employee information. So to print out that, go ahead and say console dot bright line. Go ahead and say employee's name is, so employee's name is +0, comma, and you go ahead and call employee dot name. So employee dot name, we're going to display Peter Paul, and you can always copy this. Let's copy this and do that for the position. We're going to twist this a little bit. So this is a employee's name, employee's position. Employee's position is equal to employee dot position. Alright, so the next one is employee's car is equal to employee dot car. The next one is employee's salary is equal to employee dot salary. Then the last is the employee's age is equal to employee dot age. Alright, so now if you go ahead and let's go ahead and put console dot read key and upper semicolon at the end, and let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. It's going to print out the data of the employees files. So if you come over here, you can see employee's name is Peter Paul, employee's position is C# developer, and employee's car is Honda, and employee's salary is $10,000, and employee's age is 24. So structures helps us to collect records. It helps us to take track of records. It can be any way. You can use that, maybe track of record in the book library. You can do that in the sports. Then you can use that anyway. For just one way you want to take record of anything, go ahead and use structure for that. And remember, it goes with struct. Okay, you don't put structure right here, just call struct and not structure. And then you can be able to use it to keep track of anything you need. Alright, so the code is just right before you. Put it down on your own system, you play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section. Now I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.